This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials so troubleshooting is direct. Check your device model and OS version and confirm the VPN account is active. Next, make sure the number of allowed connections isn't exceeded and note any recent software updates. Open the VPN client and export or view logs and any displayed error codes. Copy server addresses. Once done, you'll be ready to attempt the first reconnection and isolate whether authentication, network, or client configuration is the issue. You now run targeted checks. Switch to an alternate network like cellular or another Wi-Fi to see if the problem is ISP or local. Then, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to rule out blocking and retry with UDP and TCP. Some servers prefer one. If that fails, delete the VPN profile and recreate it using exact server address, port, and authentication method. Make sure credentials are correct. Once done, attempt connection and capture a fresh log for comparison. You finish by applying fixes and verifying full connectivity. Update the VPN client, your OS, and router firmware, then reboot everything to clear stale states. Adjust DNS or MTU if recommended by the provider, and configure split tunneling or specific routes when necessary to restore expected traffic. After reconnecting, confirm your public IP and access to required resources. If issues persist, gather the latest logs with timestamps and error codes, and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.